Hi everyone, this video is a collective shopping haul from Aldi, Sainsbury's, Poundland and Boots. So let's take a look at what I got. Chloe went really all out on the Fabulosa today. This is from Aldi. I'll try and do all the Aldi things together, all the Sainsbury's things together and Poundland things together. Sorry about the mess over there. I'm in the middle of pulling all this wallpaper down and painting. She spotted this Fabulosa toilet roll candy floss. So it's not, I don't think it's the paper that's scented, it says it's the core, so it's the actual cardboardy bit in the middle. Some foil, because we're always using foil, we get through absolutely tons of foil. Again, more Fabulosa stuff. And yet more Fabulosa stuff. And wait, we're not finished yet. Another one. I got some sweet pancakes. Richard quite likes these. So, my treat to myself. Belgian buns. To go with the toilet roll, some moist toilet wipes. Hold on to your cleaning cloths, everyone. Another
really
thing. Oh, she's got a, what is it, that one? No need to vacuum, eliminates odours. What the heck has she got? Oh, and wait for it, another one. I think that's like Febreze, isn't it? Their version of Febreze. I got a couple of things of these for recycling, my recycling bin. They'll only take white bags with the recycling round here. So I've got 2 of those. Got some rice pudding. 2 rice pudding. Oh blimey. More Fabulosa. Ready to use mini disinfectant. Looks like it's a citrusy, oh, lemon mint leaf. Oh, put lemon and mint together. Well, as unusual. Guess what? Another one. An all-in-one disinfectant spray. Wild rhubarb. And you guessed it, another. I quite like this though. This sort of stuff that you have to put water to. I use that to clean my bins. And oh, we got another of those mini disinfectant, whatever they are. Some of the version of Special K. For Miss Lola, and she's sniffing round now. She knows I've got stuff for her. I got some cooked chicken and some cooked beef. What is it? Is that yours? Aldi's. They're like Maryland cookies that Chloe likes. I've got some black bin liners as well as the white ones. They always come in handy. I've got my mint and chocolate cones. I got a chicken and bacon sandwich. I had one of those last week and I liked it, so I've got another one. Some pork pies. some shampoo and conditioner. So they're a bit like L'Oreal Elvive, I think. Kingsmill, they started doing Kingsmill and Hovis, and I think we might have Warburton's in there as well. And they had a few, not a great deal of makeup items. They've got a bronzer and a highlighter, but I felt that they were quite expensive really for what they are. They were $4.99 each, so I didn't bother. But I got this mascara. They've got two different sorts. They've got one in like a gold and black box. Can't remember what that one was called, but these are $2.49, I think. So I thought I'd give that a try. Last but in Aldi, I got a couple of sirloin steaks. Right, Sainsbury's next. I need to do these because they've been out of the freezer for a while. They still feel hard though. Chloe's potato croquettes. I just got one of those. I got a big packet of chicken breast. And there they are. So they should keep her going for a while. I got some Rio all-in-one pods. These are on a special offer at the moment. I'm not sure how special it is. These were £9 and there's 51 in there. Got some Nesquik cereal, croissants, strawberries, smooth orange juice, some of these Bliss whipped Greek style that I like. Richard said he wanted raspberries, so I got him some cheese strings. That's it out of that bag. 2 big packs of French fries, some what's-its, pan au chocolat. Chloe got this as well. She's really into cleaning and different smells of different fragrances for things. So she wanted to try that. And she got herself an orange Robinson's and an apple and blackcurrant one. I got some of these because I like them. I forgot to say we got this milk as well in Sainsbury's. We also visited Poundland, so I'll show you what we got from there. Chloe's been doing a bit of a makeover in the front garden and she's already got some other ones of these in different colours. So she picked up some more. They've got some named. They have their own range of makeup, but they also have of some things in these little packets. This is a L'Oreal lip liner. I have 2 different colours. It's got like a burgundy purple colour and this one. So I went for this one. I thought it's a nude colour. I think it's called they've called it Highlight. So it's the Infallible lip liner. So I'll give that a try, see what it's like. I got some of these squashes for Tom. I picked up some wool. Chloe got some Colgate. Some mouthwash. And she got toothpaste. final bag. More cleaning stuff. She got one of those. One of those. And one lemon. I got some of these rodeo dog chews for Lola. They are £1 as well in Asda and Tesco, but in Sainsbury's they're about £1.70, so I may as well get them from Poundland. I spotted this, we needed some hand wash, and it's a really big bottle of it, and it's that Astonish in Peony Bloom fragrance. I got this for Lola. They didn't have a lot of pumpkin. They didn't have many sort of Halloweeny autumn type things in my Poundland, so I was a bit disappointed. I'll have to go to another one, I think. Lola really wants this. You're making big assumptions that it's for you. I'll just take the label off and give it to her. Sorry, that's all we're going to hear now is Lola with this toy. The last things I got from Poundland were some fragrances. I thought they're only £1 and it's worth giving them a try. This was the last one of this one. I'm assuming that it's some sort of dupe for Daisy, Marc Jacobs. They are eau de parfum. So I'll give them a spray in a moment. So Lily Petals, so that was the last one of that one in my store, and Fleur Bloom. So I don't know what that's a dupe of, or they might not even be dupes, they might just be original scents. And then I picked up two things. I went in Boots as well, and I picked up two of my favourite shower gels. So just some of these Imperial Leather, Rainbow Candy and Coconut Cream, and Sea Sparkles and Water Lily. I think at the moment this one is being my favourite. And that's it. It was £18.50 in Poundland. So that was everything. An afternoon shopping. Hope you enjoyed this video and looking through what I bought. I probably won't allow myself out for a few days after spending how much I've spent today. I feel a bit faint. So we'll leave it there for this video.
Okay.
And I'll see you very soon. Bye for now. Bye.